Welcome to this tutorial. Wow. If you are new on this channel, you have a lot to do to encourage us. As you can see, this channel is a new channel. We are ready to give you free training, free skill that will help you anywhere you are watching us from. There is no country, there is no part of the world now that does not need skill. In fact, we have economic issue, we have job issue, in a way that people need to look for something they can actually do by themselves to help themselves and also to make money to help themselves and their families and their loved ones. So that is what this channel is all about. So it will help you to have access to many skills that ordinarily you should acquire spending a lot of dollars, naira, as the case might be. You will get it free here, but you also have just little things you can do to help us. Number one, subscribe to our channel. Please do that now before we continue. Like this video and hit the notification button so that as we keep on dropping videos on skill acquisition, you can be able to get notification each time we drop a video. So hit the notification bell and then subscribe to this channel and like this video. You can also share this channel, share this video. As you do that, you are encouraging us to continue. You are encouraging us not to die. And as you encourage us, the God whom you serve will also encourage you in whatever you do. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing our video. Thank you for encouraging us. Let's go direct to this training. God bless you. Welcome once again to this tutorial. Be sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you can be able to get notified each time we drop new content. Thank you as you do that. This tutorial will be very short. I just want to show you how you can reserve limited liability company name in Nigeria. All right, if you have watched my previous tutorial on this company registration, you supposed to have known by now how to open account with CAC, so how to get to the CAC registration portal. In case you don't know that, please just check. You will see the training, or you will see the link under the comment below. All right, or you type and check how to open account on CAC portal. You will get it. All right, now you go to your CAC registration portal. All right, so when you get there, If you watch those videos, you will know how to get there. All right. You log in, and then with your password and then your details, and then you move in there. So when you are there, it will look like this. All right. To look like this, and this is where you are going to click if you want to reserve name, any kind of name, incorporated trustee, business name, limited company, the same place you are going to click. So you wait it to load, you wait for it to load, and then all right, what you are going to need to be like this. Then you click here. What are you doing? Company. You go on under company. You click here. There are different kind of companies, okay? What do you want to do? If it is private company limited by share, if it is private unlimited by share, if you don't know the differences, just try to watch our previous tutorials. You will be fine. But we are going with this for the purpose of this tutorial. Then you enter the name of the company you want. Make sure it ends with LTD. All right. You can say, let's say, Joy Unique. Or Joy Ojo Ltd, or you can say Ltd or limited, anyone. All right. The second option, you have to have two options. Have to add two options. All right. When you are done, save and continue. It will bring you to objective. They will ask you reason why you are doing this. Do you want to change your former name, change it to another name? Or substitution? Which one? You may not know the meaning of name substitution and all these things. Watch our tutorials. You will understand better. But what we are doing now is new registration. The company is not in existence before. We just want to start registering it. That's what we are doing. All right. You click here and then you continue. It will bring you to preview, where you need to see, read very well what you have done, whether they are good or they are not good, so that you can make, if there's any mistake, then you go back and make amendment. If there's no mistake, look at the money you are going to pay. Click on this remitter. Then you go to the page that you are going to pay. Make sure you have your debit card with you. Then you click. Then it will bring you to the page where you are going to enter those 16 digit number on your debit card. You enter it, then you enter the year and the mode of expiring, then CVV, those three numbers at the back, and enter them. When you are done, all right, let's say when you are done, all right, when you are done, you click pay. It will bring you to this page. I'm not going to end it because I don't want to waste my money. All right. Now, when this one load, they will send a message to your phone. All right, asking you to authorize them to debit you. Then you check your phone, and then the 6-digit number you are going to see on your phone, you enter it here. I'm not ready. The reason you see 663.94 here is because remitter have added their own commission. All right. You enter that number sent to your phone here. Once you enter it and you click submit, that's all. The money is gone from your account, and I'm not going to do that now. Once that is done, then let me show you something quickly. Once that is done, the payment is completed. The payment is completed, and then You are going to check back, and then once the name is approved, they will send you a notification on your email that you use. Or see, once you see this kind of one you are seeing here now, once what you have done now, this is what I have just done, okay? Because I did not pay, that is why it's here. But adibin I pay, it will move here, pending. All right? If the name is not good and CAC disapprove it or reject it, it will move here. But if they approve it, it will move here. It will move to reserve. Then from reserve, you click it and then you continue your registration. Thank you.